Wagwan viewers and subscribers, Dancehall Skilla here again. No, big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Alright my people, so I'm going to present videos to you that's going to show some things that happened at the scene where it is said that gunmen attacked security guards for the beryllium security company. See? But let me give you some information that I got about the whole situation, viewers and subscribers, and I want you to please bear in mind that I'm not the one saying these things. I'm only going by at least one news article that I read. All right, listen carefully. Now I got information that gunmen attacked a beryllium limited security unit at a gas station that's located within the parish of St. Thomas, that's within the country of Jamaica. Now viewers and subscribers, information about the situation are somewhat sketchy, but according to a news article that I read, the news article said that a person who is said to be head of corporate communications at Guardsman Group said that security measures put in place by the company are working despite continued attacks by criminals. The news article also says that the person says the improvements have resulted in criminals being unable to steal money when they seek to rob courier vans. You understand? And according to the same news article, viewers and subscribers, the news article said that the declaration from the person came as beryllium security guards resisted a gun attack from criminals in an attempted robbery in Albion St. Thomas this morning. That's a Saturday morning, viewers and subscribers. And the same news article said that the security guards were attempting to service an automated teller machine at a gas station when they were attacked. One of the security guards was injured by the impact of a bullet on his vest. See, now I'm not the one saying these words. This is according to a news article. You understand me? The same news article said that he is receiving treatment and a security forces manhunt is on for the criminals. Now viewers and subscribers, I am going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that are going to show some things that happened at the scene of where it is said that gunmen attacked security guards for the beryllium security company, as or some persons might say. So what I'm saying to you, now viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that these pieces of videos are going to show bullet holes in motor vehicles windshields, viewers and subscribers. Some people might say windscreens or windscreen. Is it? One of these pieces of videos is going to show gunmen holding guns, and the video shows when at least one of them fired shots. So before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe.
Watch it. Watch it. MPF, man, I look at the gas station Albion. Mad move. Watch your MPF. Watch your MPF. Mad knockings. Buckler, MPF. Watch it. Watch your MPF. Watch your MPF, bad man. The man, them strike one more time. Man, them strike one more time, MPF. Watch it. Sick Lord. Oh, knockings, MPF. Watch it. What's special? Special. Yes.
Life on the scene, you know. The man them take on the guardsman them just a little while out of my place, Albion St. Thomas. Just a little while man them make off of the brings. loan M16, loan 9mm, loan knockings just a little while again out of my side. Man, loan shelling again.
Alright, now my people, based on information that I got, this would be one of the latest attack on security guards for the Beryllium Limited or Beryllium Company, as well some people might say. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Now, I am going to leave a audio with you, my viewers and subscribers, and I want to make it be very clear that I am not saying that anything that the person said in this audio are true. And I am not saying that they are lies either. I got the understanding that some persons considered some of the words that the person said in this audio to be warnings or predictions. Let me make it be very clear. I am not confirming any of the words that the person said in this audio to be true. And I am not saying that any of the words that the person said in the audio are lies either. However, I got the understanding that this audio is being sent through WhatsApp, because that's how I received this audio. So I'm going to leave the audio with you, my viewers and subscribers. And one of the reasons why I am leaving the audio with you is because the person mentioned gas station in this audio. So would I like you to listen to the words that the person say in the audio? You can tell me if you believe or if you do not believe the words that the person say in the audio, or so on. All right, anything that you think, you can tell me about this audio or the words that the person say in this audio. So here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up, respect and manners to each and every one, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Here's the audio. Listen, tell me what you think.
People, I deliver a word where God give me. Me say God said don't a delve go normal. Me say one White House don't a delve we are gonna shoot up wicked. You see don't a Morant be one wicked blood shall go take down the man. 3 man go end themselves don't a Morant be God said. And attack where God show me that spirit. You see don't a cross pit don't a St. Thomas where Holy Ghost a show me say people see don't a delve. You see don't a C4 St. Thomas where God a show me don't get now go normal. You see schemer don't a we don't have St. Thomas near Kolobo Sata, Makolobo Sita, Yolobo Sata, Mamo, Yolobo Sita. We are asking you, don't say help pray and cancel the death angel. Help pray and cancel it. Help pray and cancel it. Me say God said don't a Dalvin now go normal. You see don't a cross break in a St. Thomas. Me say don't there go be bloody. Shekolobo Sata, Yolobo City. Me say, a 2 madam me see in the spirit down a Springfield. Them a go send blue and them a go put down the 2 madam them in a Springfield for sleep and dead. You see, right down at the crossroad down a Springfield, Ribo Sata. Hey, me say one piece of chop up we go take down there so. You see down a parking lot where Lord has shown me say one blood we go run down there. Me I ask our brothers and sisters then to start prayer. 12 days God I give St. Thomas to repent, and 7 days out of rain. When you hear me say in the spirit, at 20 body me say I go lie down in a St. Thomas. Hey, you see down a seafood, me say down there now go now, one chip murder go take down a seafood. One chip murder go take down a seafood. Me saying the whole in a St. Thomas I go bloody the Holy Ghost said. And 2 taxi man I go dead by gunman in a St. Thomas the Lord said. And me I deliver me word where God give me. And me I give me last warning to St. Thomas. Last warning. You see, free where Lord has so me say don't then I go normal. Me son I go kolobo sata. Yomo silebo sata. Parking lot. Me I tell you now where God has shown me that spirit. Yeah? Me say police and man I go shoot out wicked in a St. Thomas. Me I say the White House on Makolobo in a my spirit, you know. And me I tell you now where God has shown me that spirit, you know. Me say now my blood shall I go take long a St. Thomas. When you hear the Lord saying that spirit, 20 body I go lie down in a St. Thomas. And we are asking if we send out them 4 voice note here. Send out them 4 voice note here to no family members, friend, everyone in a St. Thomas. Be careful at church, friend. You have one gas station you are going to rob wicked in a St. Thomas. You have one gas station in a St. Thomas I go shoot up wicked. And me I deliver my word where God give me. Me know a lot of people are gonna laugh, take it for mackery, take it for joke. But me I deliver my word where God give me. Last one in St. Thomas, me say St. Thomas I got bloody. We are give girl at St. Thomas last warning. 2 killing I go take a girl at St. Thomas. You see down at church friend, me say St. Thomas I got blood in the Holy Spirit say 20 body I go lie down in a St. Thomas. And me attack where God has shown me in the spirit. Cause some people take everything for joke. Them not try help, pray and cancel, them speak negative. And me I deliver me word where God give me. Ibaba Kolobo Sata. Last warning. St. Thomas Moran Beer. Parking large, last warning. St. Thomas, last warning. Mothers wanna pray. Pray and cancel the death angel. Send out them 4 voice notes here. Send out them 4 voice notes to the family members and friends and tell them to be careful in a St. Thomas. Big robbery I go take in a town in a center. In a Moran Beer. Big robbery. I go take me to the gas station, I go shoot up wicked. And I God give me the word and me I deliver the word where God give me. You have all 2 houses in a St. Thomas, so me see I go burn down flat. 2 houses me see in the spirit. We are go burn down in a St. Thomas. And me I deliver me word where God give me. Me know a lot of people are going to mac and jail, but me still I deliver a word where God give me. Me are asking them to send out them 4 voice notes to the family member. We are asking the church them in a St. Thomas to pray. We are asking the church them, the bishop, the pastors, them, the members, them, the unsaved them, mother. Be careful, your daughter go kidnap in a St. Thomas. Them a plan to kidnap your daughter and rape her. I tell you where the Lord has shown me in the spirit. Mother no help pray and cancel the plan of the enemy. Send out them 4 voice note here to the family members and friends and tell them to pray and cancel the death angel.